vape community, the Fog and Dolphin, coming at you today with the review of Cuttwood's final production of Bird Brain. Now, for me, I was long awaiting this release. I had heard about it about 2 months ago. Before that, my number one Fruity Pebble vape was Unreal Vapor Dexter out of Delaware, and that was the one I was buying constantly. I was getting it 250 milliliter bottles at a time, and when this one finally got released, it was to be expected that Cuttwood would do their homework on it. They would put batch after batch through testing, and they just wouldn't free release something that they didn't know how it was going to end up coming back to them. It hit on everything. It's got great cloud production. The taste is there. It's just a real sweet Fruity Pebble vape without an overpowering lemon and overpowering cherry. Nothing was overpowering that I've had from other Fruit Loop vapes. And this just so happened to be a day after I went to the store and bought Bad Drip Serial Trip. Now I'll do a review on that one later, but they are very similar. But I am loyal to Cuttwood. Getting Bird Brains was really good. It was not easy for me to find. I had to try to contact them directly. They didn't have any to ship out for me as a sample. There was none in any of my local stores yet. My buddy Keith Milan went to a vape expo in New Jersey. He came back, brought with him Bird Brains for me. So as I was doing the review of it, I found that I really enjoyed the taste of it. You know, like I said before, Cuttwood does their homework. They don't just send the stuff out there. That's why they have 5 juices, and they know what is going on with it before they just send it out. They want to get feedback. They probably do product testing. They probably have quality control. Everything is done right through Cuttwood. To me, they are the Jack Daniels of the Cuttwood line, of the vaping line. I mean, that's why their logo looks sort of like the Jack Daniels. They are the solid pillar of vaping for me so far. I've got so many Sugar Bears and Boss Reserves, Unicorn Milks. I like them. I love them all, and they're really good. And I gotta tell you guys, this stuff is not bad. Okay, I've loaded it into one of my Unicorn tips. I sit there and I vape it all day long, just waiting for someone to ask me, what is it that you're vaping that smells so good, so that I can tell them exactly what it is that I'm vaping. You know, I brag about Cuttwood with every juice that I've done. I constantly push them onto other people because, in my opinion, by far, Boss Reserve had the best banana hint. Sugar Bear is amazing, tastes like a Teddy Graham. Monster Melon is the most exotic fruit one that I've done to date. Unicorn Milk is just a strawberry quick, amazing juice. And Bird Brains now is just taking everything to the next level. So thank you guys for watching my videos, and you know how it is. Subscribe below. See you next time.